Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve system design with Microsoft Azure, beginner guide step by step clearly. To improve system design with Microsoft Azure, start by understanding the core components of Azure. Familiarize yourself with Azure's architecture and cloud services. Explore the basic services such as Azure Compute, Storage, and Networking. Identify the specific requirements of your system design. Consider scalability as a key factor in your design process. Utilize Azure's built-in scalability features like virtual machine scale sets. Examine the options for load balancing to ensure optimal performance. Incorporate Azure storage solutions for data management. Choose between blob storage, table storage, and SQL databases based on your needs. Plan for security by using Azure's identity and access management. Set up role-based access control to manage user permissions effectively. Make sure to implement encryption for data at rest and in transit. Leverage Azure Monitor to track the performance and health of your applications. Utilize Azure Application Insights for deeper analytics and troubleshooting. Emphasize high availability by deploying services across multiple regions. Consider using Azure Functions for serverless computing needs. Integrate Azure DevOps for a streamlined development and deployment process. Utilize continuous integration and continuous deployment pipelines. Engage with Azure Blueprints to manage compliance and governance. Document your architecture thoroughly for better maintenance and onboarding. Stay updated on Azure best practices and new features through Microsoft documentation. Regularly review and assess your system design to identify areas for improvement. Finally, gather feedback from users and stakeholders to refine your system. By following these steps, you can effectively improve your system design using Microsoft Azure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.